How you doing? Thanks again for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings with another 2019 F-250 Super Duty, your number one source for construction and emergency LED strobe lighting and safety equipment here in the suburbs of Chicago. What we have here is our auto flasher flashing those factory roof lights on this Super Duty, as well as our auto flasher on the mirror lights. We're running our Razor LED in the upper grille there. It's in an alternating amber white pattern, and I did synchronize those grille lights together. This truck also is getting our TIR3s and some Thin-X strips in the rear, as well as another auto flasher on the third brake light. And you can see a little better view of those roof lights. And as you can see, no camera tricks. We've got bright LED shop lighting right above it. So those are factory roof lights there. And that's how bright they are in a bright shop. So again, our auto flasher on the factory roof lights. You can do it two ways. This way is a little more labor intensive, splitting up the roof lights like this, 3 against 2. The other way you can do it, if you just simply want to go right in here to the A pillar, you can flash all 5 on and off very easily. So it's up to you if you want to split them like this, a little bit more labor intensive or not. The white mirror mod kit, as you can see, very easy to install. The auto flasher right there on the white mirrors. It's named either the mirror mod kit or the auto flasher for the white mirror lights. They're both the same product. And you can see the alternating we have right there. Around the back here, we have our auto flasher module on the cargo light. This particular cargo light has a camera, so you can elect to flash both sides together, as I'm doing here. Or if you choose, you can alternate the cargo as well. The cargo lights without the camera do not alternate. And I have another video in the auto flasher about this, but make sure you specifically check out your cargo light so you know which way you're going to get. Now on the reverse lights, as you can see, we also have the auto flasher alternating those. There's no problem with any set of reverse lights. It'll alternate the LEDs. And underneath that, you can see our Thin-X strip. That's our 28-inch. We have removed the black plastic filler piece in the center of this. Normally on the F-350 dually, that black plastic piece has some DOT lighting in it, the red 3 lights. And on the 250s or the single wheel axle trucks, even the 350 single wheel, you don't need the 3 red lights. So you can just take that black filler piece off and you can fit a full 28-inch strip, one on each side, as you see here. And as I back up just a little bit more, you can see how bright those strips are. They fit real nicely under the gate there, and they almost fill the entire undergate area with light. This is an alternating triple flash amber white pattern on those strips, and we've got an alternating 75 FPM on the reverse lights as well. Very similar pattern in the strip as well as the third brake light and the reverse lights. We were asked by the customer to use this pattern. It's one of his favorites, so that's what we did. Here at Wicked Warnings, if you have a special request, you can be sure to let us know, and we will take care of it to do our best to meet that request. You can also see our TIR3 in amber here on the side bezel of that tail light. This truck does have a snowplow, so that's why we have the primary amount of lighting on the back here. It was a build-to-suit job, so we did exactly what we were told. And we have some amber T3s synchronized together in the back for side warning. You can see this truck has also been equipped with a bed rug here at Wicked. We can order those in for any vehicle you like, and the owner has already put that to use, as you can tell by some of the debris in it. This bed rug is waterproof and weatherproof. You do not need a bed cover to run it. This particular truck stays open year-round, and it is marine-grade carpet. You can go ahead and jump in there and pressure wash that right out at the car wash, and it does not hurt it. So if you're interested in a nice padded marine grade carpet for the back of your truck like this, get a hold of us. I have one in my personal truck, and I cannot recommend them enough. We are running everything off of auxiliary switch number 1 as the owner requested. So very simple, quick install for this one. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We're your number one source for LED strobe lighting, safety equipment, and emergency equipment. Make sure you give us a call for your trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, cars, your fleet vehicles, your Super Duties, your Chevrolets, your Denali's, your Escalades. We'll do them all. And check the links in the description for all of these products. And send us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com. Make sure you like and subscribe and share. And if you're still listening at this point, drop a comment. Let me know you're still listening. I guarantee I'll probably reply to you sooner or later. Thanks again for watching.